We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Based on the basic signal operation using the elementary signal concept. What is the meaning of basic signal, or we can say elementary signal concept? Consider x of t equal to u of t minus u of t minus 1 plus u 2u of t minus 2 plus 3u of t minus 3. Now we want to solve the example. Solve this example. This is the question. State given x of t signal. State given x of t signal. Solve this example. Now we have to sketch the different graph. We can use the different marker also. So you have to able to understand. See this. This is known as t. First of all, sketch u of t. So here we can get u of t. So here we can say u of t. Now next, which is known as u of t minus 1. Here 1, here 1. So see this, u of t minus 1. So here say u of t minus 1. Now 2u of t minus 2. So here we can indicate two u of t minus 2. So here amplitude is 2. Here u of t minus 2 and u of 3 minus t minus 3. So here we can sketch the graph. It starts with 3. So here minus operation, minus, here 2, here 3. See this, here it is amplitude. Concentrate, here it is amplitude, here also amplitude, and here subtraction operation is required. See this subtraction operation. And here we can perform plus, and here we can operate the operation also plus. So this is the basic signal. Addition and subtraction process is still required to perform this particular signal. Now see, between 0 to 1, now we have concentrate on the process 0 to 1. Here amplitude is 1. Here also amplitude is 0. See this, here nothing else. Here also amplitude is 0. And here also amplitude is 0. So between 0 to 1, answer is between 0 to 1. Mention here amplitude is 1. So here between 0 to 1, amplitude is 1. Mention here amplitude is 1. Now from 1 to 2, mention here 2, here 3, here 4, like that. Between 1 to 2. So here between 1 to 2, between 1 to 2, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. So here between 1 to 2, answer is 0. Now 2 to 3. 1 minus 1, 0. It can be cancelled with each other. See this, here subtraction operation. That's why plus amplitude can be converted into minus. But here 2. That's why here amplitude is 2. But here still amplitude is 0. So here between 2 to 3, amplitude is 2. Amplitude is 2. Now from 3 onwards, 3 amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is 1. It can be cancelled with each other. So here 2 amplitude, here amplitude is 3. So onwards 3, amplitude is 5. Onwards 3, amplitude is 5. This portion is removed. Sorry. Onwards 3, amplitude is 5. So it is considered as a x of t, and it is known as answer. It is known as answer. So it is the complete explanation regarding the solving example. Regarding the solving example, here spelling mistake is included. SKETCH. C is not included. By mistake I have write there. So please concentrate this type of example that can be asked in the examination. See, this is the basic example. Operation, signal operation that can be done on the elementary signal or basic signal. It is the concept related to that particular point. Now next point, we have tried to solve the example. Say this, u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 3 determine x of t. So apply the basic operation, whatever discussed in the whiteboard. See, u of t minus 1, so means start at t equal to 1. Here u of t minus 2, so start at t equal to 2. u of 3 minus 3, so start at t equal to 3. So here it is known as x of t. If you can subtract this is the second example. If you can subtract this, so between 0 to 1, amplitude is 0 here, also 0 here, also 0 here. So between 0 to 1, amplitude is 1, 1 to 2. Here see 1 to 2. So here 1 to 2, amplitude is 1. Here also amplitude is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. See this very carefully. I have highlighted this. See this, the region between 1 to 2. See this. 1 to 2, amplitude is 1 here, also 1, but here subtraction is possible. That's why answer is negative. Now u of t minus 2. So 2 to infinite, amplitude is 1. 3 to infinite, amplitude is 1. So here it can be considered as a 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So we can get this type of graph, which is known as x of t. See this very clearly. I have explained this also. From range of t minus infinite to 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 equal to 0. At t equal to 0, amplitude is 1. From 0 to 1, amplitude is 1. At t equal to 1, amplitude is 0. 1 to 2, amplitude is 1. At t equal to 2, amplitude is 1. Between 2 to 3, amplitude is 1. At t equal to 3, amplitude is 0. From 3 to infinite, amplitude is 0. So here it is known as x of t. Here it is known as x of t. Now if you can shift the signal or if you can mirror the signal, so it is known as x of minus t. See this very carefully. See this very carefully. It is known as x of minus t. See this. X of minus t. Now x of minus t plus 2. So it is known as mirror plus delay operation. Mirror plus delay means what? Mirror operation already applied. Now if you can shift the signal with 2 units, so we can get this type of graph. See this very carefully. Now x of minus t minus 2. So mirror plus advance. So shift the signal with respect to 2 units. With respect to this signal, see this. With respect to this signal, shift this signal with respect to 2 units. So it is known as mirror and advance. So it is the basic operation that can be required to perform on the signal. That can be required to perform on the signal. So it is the second example that can be completed over here. Second example that can be completed over here. Now concentrate on the next example. See this. This is the next example. X of t equal to u of t plus u of t minus 1 minus u of minus t plus 2. So determine x of t minus 1, x of t minus 2, and x of minus t plus 2. So here u of t. So at u of t, t equal to 0, amplitude is 1. At u of t minus 1, amplitude is 1. U of minus t, shift the signal. Shift the signal means what? Just take the mirror operation. See this here very carefully. Just applied the mirror operation. Don't do anything. Just applied the mirror operation. U of minus t plus 2. So here we can apply it. If you can refer my previous lecture. If you can refer my previous lecture. So what is the meaning of u of minus t plus 2? U of minus t plus 2. It can be indicated by first applied the u of bracket ma minus bracket ma t minus 2. So here we can get mirror and delay operation. First applied the mirror operation. First applied the mirror operation, then applied the delay operation. So here we can get the graph. Here see this u of minus t. Here we can get my u of minus t and then applied the delay operation. So it is known as u of minus t plus 2. And if you can add these three quantity, here plus, here minus addition, here plus addition, if you can add with three quantity with each other, then we can get this particular answer. If you can sketch this, already explained in the previous example, between minus infinite to 0, amplitude is, see this, minus infinite to 0, what is the amplitude here? 0 plus 0 minus 1. Here 0, here 0, here amplitude is minus 1. So resultant answer is minus 1 at t equal to 0. T equal to 0, amplitude here is 1. Here amplitude is 1, here amplitude is 0, here amplitude is 1, here also amplitude 1. So 1 plus 0 minus 1, so answer is 0. So here at t equal to 0, amplitude is 0. Between 0 to 1, amplitude is 0 to 1. Identify this interval. 1, here 0, here also 0, but here 1. So 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 1 minus 0. So here we can consider as a 1. Minus 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So similar way we can solve this example. So based on x of t, see here it is x of t. So obviously delay operation can be easily identified. Shift one unit signal to the right side. So here we can get right side signal. Here 2 unit means what? Shift the 2 unit signal. Applied the mirror and delay operation. You have solved the lots of example based on that. So it is the second example related to this particular operation. Now concentrate on the third example. In last example, based on this method, u of t minus 2 u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 2 minus u of minus t. Sketch x of t minus 2 and x of minus t plus 2. So first of all, sketch u of t. U of t at t equal to 0 amplitude is 1. At t equal to 0 amplitude is 1. So here we can sketch this graph. U of t minus 1, so start at t equal to 1 amplitude is, we can get this graph. See this, u of t minus 1. U of t minus 2, so amplitude at 1 at t equal to 2. At t equal to 1 amplitude is 1. At t equal to 2 amplitude is 1. And u of minus t, so it can be opposite with respect to each other. Now if you can add plus minus, so we can get this particular graph. How it is possible? See this, at t equal to 0 amplitude is 1. Here also amplitude is 0. Here also amplitude is 0, but here amplitude is 1. So 1 minus 1 amplitude is 0. See this. Now at 1 amplitude, here 1, here amplitude 1. So 1 minus 1 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. So at 8 equal to 1 amplitude is 0. But between 0 to 1, here amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is 0. Here amplitude is 0. Here also amplitude is 0. So at above 0 value, see this here very carefully. Above 0 value, at t equal to 0 amplitude is 0, but if you can switch over the point 1, point 2, point 3, amplitude is 1. ગુજરાતીમાં કહું તો t equal to 0.2 એ amplitude 1 આવશે. કઈ રીતે જોવો? કઈ રીતે જોવો? અહીંયા જોજો, t equal to 0.2 એ amplitude 1 છે. અહીંયા ક્યાંય amplitude આવતું નથી. અહીંયા amplitude નથી. t equal to 0 જ amplitude છે. t equal to 0.1, 0.2 એ amplitude નથી. એટલે t equal to 0.1 એ amplitude 1 આવશે. See this very carefully here. See this carefully. I have also explained with the help of whiteboard. This particular signal I have sketched here. Resultant signal also sketch. See this, I have sketched only resultant signal. At t equal to 0 amplitude is 0, but at t equal to 0.1, consider this is 0.1, so it can be start like that. Amplitude here is 1. Graph can be look like as. આ ગ્રાફ ખાસ જોજો, આ રીતે resultant signal x of t આવશે. x of t આવી રીતે આવશે. See this. Now see this. At 1 amplitude is 0, between 1 to 2. How it is 1 to 2 amplitude is 0, that I will explain. See this here. Aya jojo, 1 to 2 amplitude is 1. Here also between 1 to 2 amplitude is 1. Why I am speaking in Gujarati? Because Gujarati people easily to understand very clearly. All the concept I have discussed in English, but few concept I have discussed in Gujarati. So between 1 to 2 amplitude is 1. Here between 1 to 2 amplitude is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we can get between 1 to 2 amplitude is 0. But here 2 onwards, here 1. Here amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is also 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So here 1 and here amplitude is 0. So here 1 amplitude can be maintained as a constant amplitude. And here due to presence of u of minus t, negative value of u of minus t, start at minus infinite to 0, amplitude is minus 1. See here amplitude is 0 for this region. I have mentioned with circle. See this, here amplitude is 0 for this region, but here amplitude is present, which is known as 1. But due to negative sign present at outer side, see this, negative sign can be present at outward side. See this negative sign, so it can be considered as a minus 1. That's why here minus 1, minus infinite to 0, amplitude is minus 1, and we can get this particular graph. So it is known as resultant x of t. It is the final answer, resultant x of t. Resultant x of t. Now Now see this entire calculation. Now see this x of t. Now based on that, we have identified x of t minus 2, x of t minus 3, whatever shifting operation that we have identified based on the given signal. So it is the signal operation topic that can be completely discussed here. That can be completely discussed here. Shifting operation, scaling operation, and folding operation. These three operations have totally completed here. So try to solve this example. Try to solve this example by your method. See this. This is the first example. Try to solve it by your way, and this is the second example. So please, this solve very carefully. Please, this solve very carefully based on the lecture. So you have to able to understand the basic signal operation. Now, this basic signal operation that can be applied onto which system? System means what? System means what? It gives the relationship. System. It gives the. What is the meaning of system? It gives the relationship. It gives the relationship between input and output. What is the standard symbol? Input denoted by x of t and output denoted by y of t. Output denoted by y of t, and system which is known as, it gives the relationship between input and output. It is known as system. Gives the relationship between input and output. It gives the relationship between input and output. So here we can say x of t, here we can say y of t. It gives the relationship between input and output. Input x of t, output denoted by y of t. And what is the classification of system? First system, it is known as linear system and non-linear system. Second, causal system and non-causal system. Third, stable and unstable system. Fourth, static and dynamic system. And fifth, time variant system. And invariant system. See this. This is the classification of system. Input x of t or x of n or x of n. Output denoted by y of t or y of n. It is denoted by input and output. So it is known as basic relationship between system. So after completion of signal operation, we can study about the fundamental of system. So it is the completion of this particular lecture. Introduce the fundamental concept of system. It gives the relationship between input and output. What is the example of system? Washing machine, air condition, any particular control system like sandwich machine, like micro oven. What is the input? Either x of t or x of n. See, this is the standard symbol. So after completion of signal operation, we have switched over the basic system operation. Now, basic elementary signal, unit step signal, unit ramp signal, unit parabolic signal, whatever we have discussed here. Also discuss the relationship between these different signals. Integration of unit impulse signal, it is known as unit step. Integration of unit step signal, it is known as unit ramp. integration of unit ramp signal, it is known as unit parabolic. I have discussed this in next lecture. So it is just introduction related to system. Now see, I have discussed here integration of unit impulse signal known as unit step signal. Next, integration of unit step signal is known as unit ramp signal. Integration of unit ramp signals is known as parabolic signal. So opposite of parabolic, differentiation of parabolic, it gives unit ramp. Differentiation of ramp signal, it gives unit step, and differentiation of step signal, it gives the unit impulse. So it is the basic lecture related to signal and system, and signal operation totally explained with the help of example. Now I will provide the online link. See this. Now I will try to provide the online link. See, this is not created by me, but if you, it is very important for you. Scilab online. Again, repeat. This is not prepared by me. It is the external website prepared by Scilab. Now see, it is electrical electronics engineering. Choose here subject. You can download any type of code. Signal processing. And here we can say it is the open software. So I have discussed here, otherwise I will not able to discuss. See this entire coding. See this from the screen, entire coding that can be given here in the very depth manner. See this. If you can refer the Sanjay Sharma book, if you can refer the S. Taliban book, also you have identified classification of signal system. See this ramp wave. See this here. Coding can be developed, coding can be discussed here, and this is the execution. See, this is the ramp signal that can be generated. Now, if you can here change the data, see this, then execution program change. See this here at 4 value, ramp signal can be closed. So here it is the coding. How coding can be developed, that I will discuss in the next lecture. But see, this is how, with the help of online source, you will develop the code by your method. See, this is the Scilab online. So try to find with the help of Google. You will also you will do your by yourself. Again, repeat, based on Scilab online courses. I will try to see the each and every unsolved example. See, this is the unsolved example by Offenham Shepherd also. Offenham Shepherd, it is the reference book of your syllabus. See this. Signal system, time shifting operation. See this is the time shifting operation, code of time shifting operation. See this is the time shifting operation, x of minus t plus 1. I have highlighted this. See this, x of minus t plus 1. So please try to understand with the help of online link, easily able to understand. So try to note down that link. So in next lecture, we have discussed the fundamental concept of system.